Hi guys, welcome back to another reading. These are three piles here. I'm doing channel messages, and this is what's going to happen in your life in the next 48 hours. Remember, this is a general guidance, not a specific guidance, and some messages might or might not resonate. Some messages might resonate, some messages might not resonate. There are three piles you can choose from. The first pile is pile number one, which is red marbles. The second pile is pile number two. Sorry, that is the blue stones or the blue marbles. The third pile is the golden pile, which is the golden marbles, the pile number three. So you can choose this. So whichever color you're getting attracted to, I'm going to get them in your line of vision. So there is pile number one red, pile number two is blue, and pile number three is golden. So let's begin your reading. This is what's going to happen in your life in the next 48 hours. I'll also see if I can give you any words that I can channel while doing this reading. So let's see what all 48 hours bring you and what are the messages. So I'm going to lay out the cards here and let me see if there is a certain kind of pattern here. Normally I do read them one by one. It's almost the first thing I get is trying to get control of things, wanting to be in control, wanting to be like a queen. It's wanting to sit at a throne, wanting to move higher in a job or in a relationship. I also get going to the next step. It's wanting from life, wanting more from life, having the desire to live like a queen or like a princess. I feel yellow color would be one of your favorite colors, and sometimes we can have one or two more. It's not just one thing that is our favorite. Could be two favorite colors, topmost colors, or your choice colors. That I think yellow, I don't know why, but I get the word marigold. I don't know what it means to you. I also get the, because I can see sunflowers and lilies. I also feel that you love flowers, and I also feel in the next 48 hours somebody's going to gift you flowers, or you'll be getting these flowers, you'll be seeing these flowers, or you'll be sowing these flowers, or you'll be getting a plant in your house, is what I get. I also feel that you believe in a lot of rituals and customs, and I feel in the next 2 days, in the next 48 hours, there is some ritual that you need to do, or there is something new that you'll be starting in your life, and that will become a part of your daily life, and that's the beginning of it in the next 48 hours. I also feel next 48 hours are important for you when it comes to finances. So whatever you do, whatever if you have a project, and if you need to put your hard work in this project. I also see number, you're going to deal with somebody who's a number three, and just be careful when dealing with a number three, especially for pile number one. It's somebody who had to give you finances, had promised you some money back, or had promised you money in a, coming, giving money back to you, will back out. I feel somebody is going to back out in the next 48 hours. And I get a money situation, I don't get a love situation. uh, I also feel somebody's going to call you princess. It's making you feel like a princess. I don't know why I get that. I also feel it probably because I got the Queen of Wands, but I feel that. I also feel that you have a pet cat. You usually keep cats, or probably I feel you will see a black cat. You will spot a black cat in the next 48 hours. Sorry guys, my throat is still not okay. I feel that you're not really believing in your powers, or you're not manifesting. Next 48 hours, I feel you'll not be. I feel that you're feeling weak in some way. It's not that you can't manifest, it's almost giving up on something, not having the strength to go on. That's the two words that I channel. Not having the strength to move on. Probably into the next level, or to something higher, or taking up the challenge ahead. There is something that's keeping you back. Those are the words that I'm getting for the next 48 hours. It's like not believing in yourself. That's why the it's things are not coming in your way. You're not believing in abundance. You're also accepting things that are very small, and you're capable of more things. It could be, love. Somebody loves you, but also you know that you deserve more love. Or probably it's a job where you know you're getting X amount of salary, but you deserve more salary. And these thoughts will come into your mind, and they will bother you for the next 48 hours. This is what you're going to keep thinking, that I deserve more love, I deserve more finances coming my way, but I'm working so hard, nothing is coming my way. So pile number one, this is the kind of feeling that you will be getting. Somebody's going to bring you a message. There's a news coming for you. I get from somebody whose name begins with a K. I also get somebody whose name begins with an S. I get an O also. I get R, and I get a J. So all these people could bring you some kind of a news, some news that is important for you. So in the next 48 hours, wait for some kind of a news. It will start. You'll also get an inkling of what's going to come. You know what's coming your way. It's kind of probably not the whole thing is revealed to you, but bits and parts. Okay, the channel message that I get is news in bits and pieces, and kind of some kind of an information that is important to you that will start coming to you. Probably that is important for you, for your future, or probably you need that information to fix things up, or that's kind of information that you need to get your act together or get a project together. I also get the next 48 hours will be teamwork. You'll be working in a team. You'll be working in a team with more than 4 and 5 people. You'll be working with people whose name begins with M. You have been working with these people since Jan, and your bond is going to get stronger. I don't know why I get this channel message, but if you know anybody whose name starts with the letter M, in these 2 days, your bond is going to be really strong with that person. It doesn't matter if it's a love relationship, a business, anything to with. It could be anything to do with family. It could be your pet's name also. It could begin with that, but there is this cute bond that you will share, and it's almost spending a lot of time with each other, and I want to say a lot of quality time with each other. So that's what I get. There'll be a lot of chemistry in these 2 days. Somebody's going to tell you that they are really attracted to you, or you're going to tell somebody that you are you. I feel this message is for a woman. You're really getting attracted to the guy, and the guy knows it, and the guy is waiting for that, and probably the guy did drop hints, and this is the time you're going to tell the person. So next 48 hours, there's going to be a lot of chemistry between you two. Probably the exchange of messages, the kind of messages you exchange with the person. So there is a lot of love and chemistry. I don't get just chemistry, not just like attraction, but I also get there's a lot of love in this relationship. Something to do with family, something to do with things getting passed on to family from generations. Also, you'll be remembering your grandparents. I don't know if you're away from them or not, but you're actually remembering your grandparents a lot. That's what I feel. You're missing them in a way. You've been wanting you want to be with them. It's also in 48 hours you're going to start something that it's almost saying that you'll be following their steps. Could be parents also. So it could be parents, you could be following your parents' steps, could be you are wanting to be like them, or you taking on their business, or you're taking on something from them, some kind of a responsibility, and taking it further. So 48 hours, it's something coming down from your parents or from your grandparents, and you're going to take it up. I get more like a responsibility. You're going to be responsible for a house or for a certain family function, or there's some kind of a wedding that you need to arrange, but you'll get some responsibility on your shoulders, and it's been passed on from your grandparents or somebody's old in the family. Next 48 hours, you feel like not really wanting to try. I get the word try with this, not wanting to be creative. In fact, it's almost you've let the canvas it's almost you've left the canvas blank. I feel you wanted to start something, but you're not motivated. Those are the words that I'm getting with pile number one. It's almost leaving things in destiny's hand. That's another message that I get. So guys, I get that next 48 hours, it's like I really don't want to do this thing. I am not being able to do this. I cannot create. It's also something creating something, and you're not wanting to create something. I feel not really in the mood for creating something. Though you did get things to start probably painting or start doing something. You got something new to start with or to work with, but that's just been left somewhere. You don't even want to pick it up. I don't know why, but I want to say this: something is going to make you sad. Something is already making you sad, and the effects of it will multiply in these next 2 days. There is something impacting you. There is some kind of a sadness that's seeping in. Not wanting to do new things, not wanting to create, not really feeling up to it. Next 48 hours is also about cause and effect, and it says you are aware that the love you create in your thoughts is an agent of change and the foundation of your results. So, what you put right now in your relationship, the kind of thoughts, the kind of love, the kind of care for the other person, it's going to come back to you, and it's going to come back to you in the same way. I'm going to use the word boomerang. I'm not going to use the word cause and effect, because here I get the word boomerang. So just be careful. Whatever you put out, it's going to come back to you. It could be to do with karma. So just be careful with your thoughts and your feelings, whatever you say, because if you're going to be rude with someone, somebody is going to reply back rudely also, or in that tone which you, in a manner which you won't like. So there is some kind of a cause and effect, especially in a relationship. I get in a new relationship, just be careful with words, because the person really doesn't know how to react, or doesn't know what you mean or what you said. Sometimes we interpret things in a different way. So I get with a new relationship, just be careful with words. So I'm going to give you one lucky number. Let's see for next 2 days what is a good number for you. I get a 9. So 9 is a good number. Work with number 9. When I say work with number 9, it's like you can write number 9, and just write good luck to yourself only, almost saying good luck. I feel you will be probably seeing 9, or when you add things up, it will come to a number 9. That's what I feel. That's the reading for pile number 1. Let's go on to pile number 2, which is blue. Let's see what are the cards. I'm going to put this away. So this is pile number 1. Let's see what pile number 2 has. I want to see if this is also, making a certain kind of a story. So I've got evolution, I've got appreciation. A lot of appreciation coming your way, not bad. I know you can't see, there's a flash. Somebody are teaching you something, or somebody has your back is what I get for pile number 2. You asked for help and somebody actually has your back, has helped you in a way, is going to help someone, you're going to help someone. I get money coming in the next 48 hours. I also don't want you to be arrogant in the next 48 hours. Feeling too arrogant, or getting ego in between. So you have to keep having water. So money is also going. So money will come fast and money will go fast. Just be careful about the situation. I get money is coming in and money will just be moving out in 48 hours. Or probably you owed somebody money. So someone gave you money and you gave that money to someone, that I took money from you. So it's almost money reaching you but going out, the same manner, the same speed, flowing out from your hands. Money coming and flowing out is a big message that I get for this pile. I also feel you have to let go of control issues. Only when you let go of control issues in your relationship will reach the next level. So that's when there's going to be an evolution. For the next 48 hours, or otherwise also in life, I want you to let go of control in the relationship. Do not control the person. Do not control the person's thought. Set the person a little free, okay? The person will come back to you. I don't know why I say this. This is more like a channel message. Sometimes not sometimes, and every time when I say something without thinking or just say it, and I have this feeling that I have to say it. It belongs in the reading. So this is what I want to say. Otherwise, if you don't let go of the control issue, it's going to be an obstacle in your relationship. Like I said, with finances are going to come and go in your life. In next 48 hours. I said 42, could be 42 also, because I just channeled it. Okay. Somebody whose name begins with A and B is very important in your life. Somebody whose name begins with the alphabet S is also very important. I get a lot of I for ink. I feel I for individual. There's a lot of I right now. There'll be a lot of you'll be doing I instead of us. So I don't know why, because you want to step away, or this is how you started feeling, or probably what I want to say is, for the evolution, you have to move from I to we, I to us. You have to do that. You've been controlling too much. Maybe that's why I got a lot of I. Maybe that's why you got to let go of the control issue, where it's all about I. It has to be me. It has to be our decision. It can't be my decision. I think that. I think that. I think it's going to be collective. There's something that needs to be collective. It's waiting for karma to happen, but it's not happening. I don't know why. It's almost like you did good for something and you want something to come back to you. I feel that, wanting something to come back to you. I think good returns. You're waiting for some good returns. You did help someone, and you're waiting for that help. Remember, I said that either you helping someone or somebody else is helping you. So it's almost waiting for good things to happen for you. You need to reflect more. You need to almost look deep inside and be more self-aware of the situation. Sorry, and yourself. It's being more self-aware. It's being more reflective, and this is not what you're going to do, but I want you to do this. Understanding your own self first. Maybe that's where the next step happens in a relationship. It's not, you're not understanding what's happening around you, or you're giving too much importance to I and not to us. That's the whole problem with pile number 2. I want you to work with the other person, in a partnership, it's also think about the other person. You've not been thinking about the other person is what I get. I think someone is waiting for appreciation. You could be waiting for appreciation. You could be waiting for a bonus. Though your bonus is not going to be very high. I don't know why I get that, but yes, you're getting a bonus. You're going to feel appreciated. I feel this is moment. A very this appreciation will come and go. It's in the moment. It's not long term. So I really don't know what it means. But I also feel that somebody is waiting to be appreciated by you. It's you've not been expressing yourself, or somebody's done a good job, probably in your team, and you've not been appreciative enough is also what I get. So somebody's waiting for your appreciation here, for waiting for your good words here. Somebody's done a good job or done something good for you, and the person is waiting for that. Like I said, money is going to come in and go out. That's what I feel. It's almost money coming in making you feel like a king, but that's almost like turning, suddenly you realize that yes, this money did come to me, but I have to give it back to somebody. Or I feel you just put it away. Probably you'll invest it. Sorry, I'll have to keep having water. My throat is anyway bad, and that's why I'm keeping the readings to a short, to not very long durations. I'm doing short readings right now. So this is what I feel. So pile number two, basically, it's appreciation. It's you helping somebody or somebody helping you. You wanting someone to help you also is what I get. I also feel you're going to deal with a 6 number and 3 number. Let me see what's a good number for you. I told you 6 number, and this is what came in the dice. It came 6. So 6 is important. So probably you will get appreciation from a 6 number, or you're a 6 number and somebody is waiting for you to appreciate them, you to say that you did a good job, or you handled the job well, or what you did was good, and that's how you should go about it. In that kind of a situation. So those are the words somebody is waiting to hear from you. I'm sorry, my reading is those are the words that I hear. Let me see if I can channel more words. I also get live life with love, that's how you need to live life. Those are the words that I'm getting. I also get the word curious. I don't know, you being curious about something in the next 48 hours. Let me see if I can just get my cough a bit down. I normally don't shut my videos and restart, because those are the messages that need to be given. So I'm going to move on to the third pile. You've done the blue pile. I'm going to move on to the red pile. Let's see what are the messages for you. I'm just going to lay the cards out, and let me see if. Sorry, this pile we've done already. Why am I using the red pile? This is the golden pile. I was wondering why the messages are the same. So this is the third pile. This is the golden pile. Not acknowledging somebody's love. That's what I get. I'm trying to. You're actually going for a person who's not right for you, and you're leaving the other person out. I don't know why. I feel there are two people here. There are two people here. You're acknowledging the wrong person's love. That's the exact words that I got. When I just opened this pile, and I've just done three words, three cards. I don't know what's coming. You need to encourage people to grow in the next 48 hours. It's almost being you're discouraging someone. Don't discourage someone. You need to encourage somebody to grow. It could be in a relationship, it could be financial, it could be something like that. I feel you're misjudging someone, especially in love. It's not the person. It's not the way the person looks or right now is acting. It's not the person's real personality is what I get. I get a feeling you're dealing with 5 number or a 7 number. I don't know. Let's see what the cards are. Somebody's not making the effort in the next 48 hours for love. Sorry. So the person you're not. It's things are not going to be effortless. I don't know why I get this is more like a love reading. This is an out and out a love reading. I'm going to take the other cards. This is almost going back. Somebody's going back to the past. You're also going back to a past lover. You're also thinking about a past lover. You have too many possibilities. This is a very relationship reading. I don't know why it's not fitting into a possibilities in job, but it's almost seeing 2 3 people at the same time, not really being serious about anybody. And you're actually going for the wrong person is what I get. If you pile number three, if you've chosen pile number three. So actually, with the word, with this color, I'm getting that you're missing the golden opportunity with the right person. So you actually will be happier with that person. The person could be a Leo, Aries, or Gemini, is what I get. And you could be a Scorpio. You could be a Sag. You could be a Sagittarius. You could be a Capricorn. So you're actually going after the wrong person. You're not making the right efforts. That's why this is reversed. So the other two readings were a mix of business, love, other things, but this one totally out and out is becoming a love reading. Not managing your time well. I think you're throwing away your time on wasting your time on things that are not very important, or with people who are not very important. The time management is not right. People management is not right. Third is totally a different pile. I get the words worthy of. So somebody is worthy of your love. I don't know what. This is the most different reading pile that I've ever done. This is totally a relationship pile. It is, I think, almost talking to one person, because a lot of people will be hearing this. I don't know what part fits into your life. These are bits and pieces, but I really feel going for the wrong person, going for the wrong thing, could also be going for the wrong job. So this is what gold looks like. Glitters is actually not gold from inside. So you judging a person or a job could be just from the outside. And you really don't know what lies beneath. And I really would want you to study the whole situation a bit deeper, and actually see if the person is wearing a mask, because I feel you are with people, you are with two or more people, and you're not judging it rightly, the situation and the person. A person who's talking to you very sweetly, you're going after that person, and the person, I don't know why I want to say this, the person is not right. One of the people you are with is not right. And with the person, it's actually, that's why it's becoming a hard work for you. The person you are with discourages you. I don't know why I'm getting all these words. I'm getting all these negative words with this pile. The person is already, putting you down. That's what I feel. I don't know. Let me see what number I get. I get an 8 number. 8 number is also a loop number. I feel you're going into a loop with something. Some situation is going to put you in a loop. There'll be a situation from which it will be very difficult to come out. So whatever situation you are in, just be very wise. Use your wisdom. Just don't use your heart too much here, because this is not really a good heart situation that I'm getting. You're not managing your time well. Almost going to the past. You actually left that person, or the person left you. You again wanting to engage with that person. I feel nothing is going to come out of this past relationship here. That's a big message. So you got to let go of that person. You're thinking of too many possibilities. Here, possibilities are not a good thing. You're going to narrow it down. You're going to zero it down, or you're going to narrow it down to one person. Okay, you cannot play with too many possibilities here. And your time is also getting wasted. It's not managing time, because this came reversed. So you're not managing your time, or you have very less time. There are 4 5 people you need to give your time. There's somebody who really truly loves you and doesn't say much, and I feel you're actually going away from that person. You're ignoring that person. So that's the reading for you guys. Those are the words that I get. This is a really pile 3 was really different from pile 1 and pile 2. So this is out and out in a relationship reading, like I said. So this is what's going to happen next 48 hours. I want you to recognize who's right and who's not right for you. It could be a job situation, but if it's not a job situation, it's a love situation. I want you to understand both the people or 3 people that you are with very well, and then go on and take a decision or make a decision. So that was the read for today. This is what's going to happen with you for the next 48 hours, depending on the pile that you chose. So thank you so much. I'll be back again with another reading. Thank you for being patient, and do subscribe to my channel. Do hit the like button and do comment. Thank you so much, guys.